how you can make $500 to $1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you can see over here on my screen, right? I had $10,000 a week, $14,000 a week, and over here you can see daily sales, right? All this is possible once you take affiliate marketing really seriously. Now, thanks to affiliate marketing, I was able to travel. As you can see over here, you can add me later on my Instagram, okay? Over here, I always share. I was able to travel to over 65 countries now, okay? Because of knowing exactly what kind of audiences you have to target, what kind of ads you have to have in place, because it's not just enough to have a nice landing page. What you have to understand as a beginner is you need to understand that there are human beings on the other side. We are not promoting to bots, right? We are promoting to real human beings on the other sides of the computers. So you have to understand how to connect with your audience and exactly knowing what are the buyer states, what are the low and high emotional states, okay? What are the core emotions of the market that you're promoting to? So to know exactly that, if you want to know exactly how to do it and how to have success with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, you can connect with me one-on-one after watching this video, and I will personally help you to start having results.